Vizard's auto-editing engine is absolutely wild, and I mean that in the most incredible time-saving way possible. It doesn't ask you to be a pro video editor. It doesn't make you juggle 5 different apps, and it stops you from guessing which clip will go viral. You simply dump in a long video, give it a quick direction, and it spits out ready-to-post short clips, captions, and a posting plan. That is the magic. No more tab hopping, no more hunting for tools, and absolutely no guesswork involved. Think about it. Usually turning a 40-minute podcast into social content takes an entire afternoon of scrubbing and editing. You spend time finding highlights, another tool for captions, and another for vertical cropping, which is just way too much friction. Vizard removes that friction entirely by planning the cuts, picking punchy moments, and cueing them for you. It is essentially your video editor, your content strategist, and your social media scheduler all rolled into one platform. What really matters is that Vizard finds the moments that humans often miss during the editing process. The AI is tuned to spot strong opinions, emotional reactions, and the laughs that hook people in those first few seconds. It even handles the pacing, adds natural captions, and gives you variants so you can test what works best. Most creators burn hours trimming and testing, but with Vizard, you just set the cadence and let the AI run the experiments. You do not need to be technical or write a 50-word prompt just to get a simple clip. Just talk to it like you would text a teammate, asking for highlights with specific music and styles. You could be on the sofa, standing in line for a latte, or even at the gym while the work gets done. The best part is that Vizard remembers your preferences and gets better the more you use it. Instead of treating every project like a blank slate, it builds a profile for your specific content style. It learns your favorite clip lengths, the hooks you like, and the pacing that your specific audience loves. So instead of hiring a new freelancer for every batch, you effectively hire a single editor that knows you. Let's look at a real-world example of how this changes your business workflow. If you run a coaching business and need a week-long campaign, the old workflow is days of work. With Vizard, you upload your master footage, approve the plan, and you have everything ready in just a few hours. Launching content once a month easily becomes launching content once a week, which is a massive momentum shifter. Vizard also integrates perfectly with your existing tech stack, like Google Drive or YouTube. Finished clips don't just sit in a folder, they get sent exactly where they need to go. And the auto schedule feature is a total game changer for your consistency. You set the frequency, and it decides the best times to post based on your performance signals. You can have the AI generate daily variations of your best clips without having to babysit the process. Fitness coaches, real estate agents, and podcasters are using this to shrink their workload across the board. You spend your week actually doing your job, not editing behind a screen for hours. Now, you might be thinking, isn't this just like those other tools out there? The truth is, most tools are strong individually, but you still end up stitching 5 of them together to get one post. Vizard's real value is in the glue. It automates the entire pipeline from end to end. Other platforms often lock the best features behind high-tier plans, but Vizard is designed for solo creators. You get the high-end productivity gains without the enterprise price tag that usually kills your ROI. The platform even gives you variants for each clip, like different hooks or thumbnail styles. Because the system learns from what you keep versus what you discard, your content just keeps getting better. Your Vizard account eventually becomes distinctly yours, more consistent, and much faster to work with. Integration is solid, meaning you can connect your accounts and let the AI pull from your asset pool. There are even templates and repeatable workflows, which are basically installable playbooks for your content. Teams can version these playbooks, so everyone is running campaigns the same way every time. Vizard shows you estimated time and costs before production starts, so there are no surprise bills. Plus, all the assets are cleared for commercial use, so you can use them in ads without legal headaches. Some people wonder if this replaces editors, but it actually just makes you exponentially more productive. You go from solo output to running a team's worth of content all by yourself. The compounding effect is real, and the earlier you start, the smarter your AI assistant becomes. So, don't overthink it. Just upload one video and give it a single job to see how it performs. Try batching 1 week of content and compare how much time you actually saved. If you want to turn Vizard into a growth machine, look for guides that walk you through building your playbook. The people who learn the tool and build the system are the ones winning in this creator economy. The question is, are you going to be the person who adapts, or the one watching everyone else pass you by? Pick one job, try Vizard today, and get back to the creative work that actually matters. That's it for me. Try the one job test, and you might be surprised by how much time you get back.